would we swear, Bella?
Hi, Chris. How are you getting on?
Well, I'm just pinning down a patchwork cover to start a housewife or a housewife.
For Swift, yes.
And I'm just going to pin it down, or I might actually use glue and glue it down because I find that easier. And I've spent ages trying to get the colors in a very messy pattern. And then I'm going to sew this to one layer. And I'm going to do canthus stitching, or I might decide to tie quilt it.
Right, okay.
And then I'm going to take my lining,
Yes.
and I'm going to stitch it to this piece.
Yes.
And I will put pockets in here. And when that's done, I'll put them together, and I'll fold the edges of the patchwork around to bind it.
Lovely. Okay. And at the end of this, I'll show the little Swift where you...
Show them.
I should have done that first, shouldn't I?
Show them when we made before.
Yes.
And actually, this piece of material is from the first house swifts we made. Really? So I've got a bit of the memory of that one in this one.
It looks familiar.
Isn't that
It
nice?
does look familiar. Cheryl, what are you doing?
I'm doing a patchwork the same, really.
You're gonna
but
do the
quite,
same?
Quite minimal, and I quite like these stripes and the colours. But first time I've made this, and I'm quite
Are you enjoying
excited.
it?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
quite
I'll get too close to you.
excited
I'll come
with
back
it.
so you're
Yes,
not
yeah.
in your face.
It's
Good. I'm glad you're
absolutely
enjoying
what
it.
I
Well
am.
done. Thank you. Chris?
Hi Bella.
How are you?
This is my little
That is so
Swift,
pretty.
and I like to pin mine. So
Yes. And you're going to leave your pins in?
no, I'm going to tack it now.
You're going to tack
Yeah,
it.
but
So
it'll just
we call that tailor tacking sometimes, don't we?
yeah.
Let me
just to
get
hold
you
it
in so that we
place.
can see who you are. And you're
It's
Chris, aren't
Wendy.
you?
Wendy.
Well, I'm
Wendy.
so sorry. There's so many of us now. Look, I'm losing track. I do apologise.
Yeah, no worries.
So that's why I've been calling you Christine. Thank you, Wendy.
There's not many Christines.
Well, exactly. Now these are shy, so I'm not going to talk to these young ladies because they're too shy. But I'm just going to zoom in on your work. All right?
Hi, Bella.
What have you done to your arm?
What I want to see here.
Oh, no, it's just like that.
Process.
Oh, I see.
It's just to help me.
I want to.
Okay. Lovely. It's looking good, girls. Looking good.
Right now.
Right, let's go round to Brenda now. This is Brenda Butler. She's on our design team, aren't you, Brenda?
Yes,
Oh yeah, that's what I said. That's what I've got. Yeah.
I've done my patchwork. I'm just trying to seal the.
So what are you doing? You're tacking down now?
Yeah, I've tacked down and I'm just trying to stop the edge fraying a bit.
That's it. You're doing like an overstitch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah.
Wonderful. Got some lovely curly there.
Thank you.
Let me take the photo this side. All very industrious. I'm not going to mention names. I'm going to get it wrong. And you are?
Christine.
Christine, that's right. I knew there was another Chris somewhere. And you're new to this, aren't you, the retreat?
I am, yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
Very much.
Yes?
Yeah.
Good. Would you come again?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go. There we are. That's lovely. And how are you getting on with yours?
Okay. I'm
That's
just
looking really pretty.
starting to
You've
do.
chosen some lovely colours.
Thank you.
Well done. That's excellent.
you.
Have you made one before?
Not one of these. No.
No?
No.
Okay. Well done then. Well done. Kerry, how are you getting on? Do you want to sit down just for a second while I video you? Thank you very much. You've got lots of green there, you can tell you're Irish.
That's right. Yeah.
Yes, you had to use green, didn't you?
It's in the
That's
rules.
looking good actually, because I know you were worried when you started, but that's looking really good.
Thank you.
Have you settled into it now?
Soon, any minute soon.
Yeah. There we go, and I'll show you the rest of the retreat while I'm at it. I've got 9 ladies in this. Phyllis has taken off somewhere, so Phyllis isn't here. Rachel's over there doing the shop, talking to Jez. Okay. And that's Steph there, just walked in with a striped t-shirt. I don't know what she's up to. Let's have a look. Oh, she's sewing. I'll go over and have a look in a minute. How are you getting on, girls? What are you up to?
Making a pocket for a tag, a window pocket
A window pocket.
for my tag.
Oh, that's lovely.
She's
Lovely.
going to go in there.
Very creative, very creative. What's Mum doing? What are you doing, Denise?
Just cutting out the tags
Oh, the
for the
tag.
side. Yeah. This is your cutter, I believe.
Oh, is it?
It
On the
is.
table.
Rachel's, I think, actually. Right, okay, let's go over and see if we can find Rachel, shall we? And then I'll finish off the video. Hello, Rachel.
Hello.
What are you up to?
Just replenishing the shop.
Oh, lovely. Shall I show them a little bit?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Talk me through it then.
Okay, so we've actually sold quite a few things yesterday, but we've got some new things coming out now today. So we've got some lovely snippet rolls that I've been rather
they're
busy
nice.
working on.
Lovely.
We have got lots of junk journal supplies going on now today. We've got some nice scissors, we've got the lovely paper clips and charms, lots of stamps, coffee day paper and vintage ephemera packs.
And your journal there.
Yes, and a journal. And we've got some bookbinding kits today.
Yes.
So
Because
yeah.
the workshops went really well, didn't they?
Did, yes, and we've had lots of mixed media stuff.
Because I was just doing my slow stitch one.
How
But
did it go?
they're still working. I've just left them to it.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I think they're into it now. So.
Good. That's
And
brilliant. There we are.
would you mind being on the video?
No, Carrie? Oh, I knew you.
Do you mind being on the video? It's going to go out on YouTube. Do you mind?
Oh, go on then.
Tell us where you're from.
Hello, I'm Carrie and I'm the caterer today for Green Gables Grazing.
And you came yesterday as well, didn't you?
I did, yes. So
And-
Rachel was very kind in asking me to cater for the event today, and it's lovely. It's been really enjoyable.
It's a beautiful barn, isn't it?
It's amazing.
The food's been amazing.
Yeah, I'm going to go around and
thank
show.
you.
I'm trying not to show Rachel's video. There we are. This is what we had yesterday, and we're having it for lunch again today. There we are, busy working. Lovely, thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you up to, Rose?
I'm helping Rachel to price the items for the shop.
Oh, and Jez?
I'm doing exactly the same.
You're doing the same. You're helping to price the shop, yes?
I am. I'm open for a discount.
Are you? Why not? You can try, darling, can't you?
Don't get now.
There we go. We've had a marvellous time. And if ever you're interested in coming to one of these retreats, are you all enjoying yourselves?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, was the no reply? Was it? Are you all enjoying yourselves? Yes. Thank you very much. I'll leave it there now, guys.